because there's a couple people in my life that really want me to get my own channel, so.
Okay. We just pulled in so you guys can see like where we're going, but like, oh my goodness, it is packed out.
You've arrived.
Okay, thanks Google.
Everybody said that there.
So I'm gonna just turn because I don't know what this is all about, but I need to turn. And since you're turning, I'm turning. Okay, so we've got to find parking. Honestly, well, there's a spot there. Should I take that? Right here.
Can you fit in there?
Probably not.
I was gonna say it's a little bit tight.
I can't wait for you, sir. I'm sorry. Okay.
There's one right there, there's one over there.
Okay, perfect. Because the way that they were making this seem made me feel like this was about to be like the worst nightmare for me. Okay. Look at all this parking. Look how cute her mask is. Okay. So I wanted to get Brussels sprouts, lavender, beefsteak tomatoes, zucchini, greens, cabbage, kale, okra, and marigold flowers.
Okay, so we gotta go down here and make a.
Let's go. My memory got full, so I had to delete a whole bunch of stuff. How do I know what's a good catnip?
Look for the one with the most leaves, really. I was looking at that one.
That one looks good. Getting this for Salem. Have you guys ever heard of pineapple mint? We just got one. And I'll tell you guys what it's like. I want to put it in my water. I just can't believe I woke up today without a garden, and I'm gonna go to sleep with the garden.
I'm excited. It's not even my garden, but I'm excited.
I told her, I'm like, you need to be my accountability partner because...
So they'll be like a decent size, not huge, but...
Who even said you could bring pets in here? I would have never thought that Brussels sprouts would look like this. That is crazy. I'm getting tired, y'all.
Girl!
I'm exhausted. I'm tired of this store now. It was fun while it lasted. These are the tomatoes that I've been saying that I want. These. Beefsteak. I wish they had them in the things though.
I mean, they have the cages like against the wall you can buy.
Okay. So let's choose this one. Does this look good?
Yes, it does.
I tried to find the one with the thickest stalk.
Yep. Yep. Because it can grow more leaves, it can grow more roots, but if that if that stalk is damaged, it's a wrap.
It's a no. These things are freaking huge. I need one to go in my little bitty pot.
Tomatoes need their own pot.
See, I don't got no kids, so I don't got time to be accommodating these vegetables like this. I'm just so excited. I wish I could run and like click my heels right now up the strip so you guys could see.
Okay, do you want to pick out your flowers first and then get your pot so that they all match? Or?
I was leaning more towards finding one already in the pot like how that is.
Oh, okay.
And just...
Well, I know you mentioned marigolds too.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Oh, wow. Look at all that. That's so cute.
Yeah.
They have a lot of really cute stuff.
And then we were going to like make your herb thing, like make your own herb thing.
Okay. Let's see what they have already potted, then let's get marigolds, and then let's get the herb thing for the mints.
Okay. I do need some pots, so I'll probably let you grab yours and I'll grab mine. But you're gonna need So you have your spinach can go in the same pot. Your mint, you might want something like long for your mint since you have so many different ones.
Okay.
Unless you want them like separate.
No, they can all go together.
And then you can just save these and like stick them in your pot so you know which is which.
Okay, perfect. I'm so tired. All I'm thinking about is my lemonade in the car from Chick-fil-A. I'm so thirsty.
Hey everyone, we are finishing up our trip to Countryside Greenhouse in Allendale, Michigan. This is my absolute favorite greenhouse. I mean, I love all greenhouses, but this one is my favorite. They have every and anything that you can imagine under the sun as far as plants and gardening stuff goes. As you can see, this is... I don't have the greatest angle, but we got quite a bit. As you can see, everything's hanging out in the back seat.
Road closures on Hall Street Southeast in Grand Rapids.
Thank you,
You're on the
Google.
fastest route. You should reach your destination by 1:52 p.m.
Okay, thanks. But yeah, we are headed out now. I don't even know how long we spent in here.
I don't know how long, but all I know is I about needed to do a warm-up and stretch before going in there because I am tired.
It's a greenhouse, and greenhouses attract heat anyway, and it's, what is this temperature right now? It's supposed to be like,
It's 73 right now.
I was gonna say it's supposed to be like 79 today, so it has to be quite warm already.
But I felt like, don't you feel like it was patches where we went through, it was so cool. And then
Yeah.
like other patches we went through, it was like so hot.
Yeah, so I don't know if they have a different temperature set depending on what area of the greenhouse we were in or what. But yeah, we are all done. I am so excited for Dee to get her garden started. I'm sure I'll be helping her out.
It's really about to be her garden. She's gonna have to come over on a weekly basis. Well, she already does on a weekly basis. So.
Right. We'll tend to it on Tuesdays and Wednesdays because Zumba days.
And if you don't know, what are you doing? Go
Now
to
you
Facebook,
know.
search Zumba with D and Key, and stay tuned because we have a YouTube channel coming. Let's go.
But yeah, just want to check in, let you guys know we are finished. If you do have any questions about how Dee's gardening journey goes. By the way, we both live in apartment complexes, so we do container gardening. This will be Dee's first year doing a legit container garden, so I'm sure she'll keep you all updated.
And so like if you want to stay the most updated, you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram at dforever2hours.co. That's where I'm gonna be posting all my little rants and updates and all that. I'll do a vlog here and there, but the vlogs will mostly be like monthly updates. It's not gonna be like in between. So make sure you guys tap into my Instagram. Okay guys, so this is the before of my patio. I only literally had these two flowers. This used to be a tomato plant. I don't even remember what this other one was. So we're back at my house. We're on my patio right now, and we are getting ready to kind of lay out what we want it to look like. I showed you guys a clip just before of what I'm working with right now, so let's see what we come up with. Okay, so this is a full rundown of what I got and what I'm working with here. Alright, so we are going to be getting our soil. I don't know why you hear me this, because, but let me move some of this stuff out of the way so you guys can see what we're doing. So this is the soil we have right here. Premium potting soil. These candles are cute.
Yeah.
It's an art. Here, I'll pull it in so you can pull it out.
Okay.
Oh, I'm about to go get my gloves. I'll be right back. I forgot to show you guys what happened to my succulent plant, but like it literally, like all those plants you see there, like they just all popped out one by one. Hi kitty, I can see you. Hi kitty. He wants to come out here so bad, but I know he's gonna run away, so no. These are my garden gloves. Perfect fit. These are so cute. You guys, Dollar Tree, $1.
2 hours later.
If your plants come with these little labels, keep those, especially if you're planting more than one type of plant or flower.
Is that enough? Honestly, this is a better process than the scooper. I just used what the plant was in to scoop into the bag.
Actually, it's working well.
I don't even feel right doing this stuff. I feel so impatient. I feel like I'm such an impatient person. It feels so weird.
Okay, you guys, gardening is supposed to be a very stress-free, calming type of a thing. You're becoming one with nature, breathing in all the fresh air and looking at all of God's natural, beautiful creations.
Who can be one with nature? Let's do.
I'll just tell you where not to put them.
Okay. So next, I have all these herbs. That bin over there are all of the herbs. I need to switch this camera because I keep looking in that corner. Salem. So this was about $8 and it just says herbs on it. It's so cute. I think this is the perfect little thing, and it has a little handles that go on it. So we're going to get this one going. Oh, he's over there. Look at him. Stop. Should I let him out here, you guys? I'm just scared. Should I let him out? I'm just scared. Like,
Do you think he would jump?
I don't think he has it in him. I think he would stay by me, but I would just be scared. Like, if we could barricade him, then I would do it. No, I'm scared. You're moving too fast. I'm not comfortable no more. You're violating my trust. I hope he learns to just stay here, because then he can always be in the garden with me.
Right.
But
As soon as he gets to climb him.
I know, but I'm just scared. Like, this is too far. You need to stay on the carpet. Boom.
Making progress.
We have a couple more. We have some cabbage, Brussels, and spinach. So let's do spinach next, because it's another 2.
I just don't like tails and fur.
He's literally biting my Brussels sprout plant. Hey, girl. Okay, so here's a quick update on where we are with the planting. This is the herb one that we did. This is the lavender and the tomato. I just want to show you guys what my kitty did. This is what my kitty did. He was so upset that I was outside, even though he has this window right here to see me. He decided to tear up his tray of kitty grass that I got him. So now I have to clean this up in the middle of this mess out here. Okay, so I was telling them about how we need storage, and they're like, let's put it in this door. I have not opened this door, and I'm scared. The last time I opened it, it was in one of these corners. It was a big old bee nest, and right when I opened it, I like hurry up and shut the door, and I ran inside because I'm allergic to bees. So we're gonna, I don't want to, can somebody else open it and I can just record from afar?
Great boy.
Okay, 3.
If anything runs, let's go.
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
There was somebody wrote on here that said work hard, play harder.
Where? Okay. It's not that bad.
No.
Can you store in here or will it catch on fire?
I mean, just don't.
Oh my gosh, there's some of those things back there. That's what was right here in the door last time I opened it. See those nests? Do you see where that little outlet is, that little window?
Oh, yeah.
It was those, but like right here when you open the door. So I can't.
Definitely be used. Yeah, maybe we just want to use this one.
Yeah, cause We're back and we just finished the patio. I just showed you guys a clip of it. I'm so happy. It was a really long day, so I'm tired. But this is all thanks to Keandra. Thank you.
Anytime.
She has committed to checking up on me on a weekly basis to make sure that I'm really doing this. And again, you guys, make sure you follow my Instagram at dforever2rs.co so that you can kind of keep up with the in-between. And I can't wait till it all grows out so I can cook my first homegrown meal with you guys. I'm thinking she might need to come for that too, because I don't really... First of all, I was raised carnivore. So when it comes to like vegetable sides or anything, like I'm not the pro she is. So
We'll do some veggie harvesting.
there we go. So we'll have her back on my channel. So if you like seeing Keandra on my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and drop it in the comments. Until next time, Forever Babes, you know I love you. Mwah.
Bye.